All right, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give you an example of a very basic Swivl video. The way I'm using it right now, because we don't have the robot and we're not going live, i.e. we're not using Zoom, this is just a method of recording a video. So whether you're using Swivl or Microsoft Camera or whatever version recording you want to do, that's all I'm going to do is I'm just going to record a very basic video. Since I am using my desktop, which is the equivalent of using the laptop, we have to go to the web page or the website, the Swivl website, so swivl.com. And because I have already logged on to this website from this computer before, my username and password have already been filled in for me, so I'm going to just hit sign in. Now, I know when we were practicing the other day, we were having problems with Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. I've tried it out on my desktop and I didn't have any problems with it. All the buttons seemed to show up the way they're supposed to. And I went ahead and did it with not Internet Explorer, but whatever the new Microsoft browser is called. I used that and I didn't have any problems either. So here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new video. So I'm going to go to library. So there's library, click on library, and then I want to come up here and I want to add a new project. So I click on add a new project. I have a couple of choices here. I can upload slides, so that can be a JPEG, a PNG, a PowerPoint, PDF, doc. Well, I'll talk about that in a little bit. So I could upload slides if I wanted to. If there is a video that I've already recorded, I can upload that as well. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to record my own video. So I click on record video. It's going to search for whatever video that I'm using, and you can see it's going to find my Logitech webcam as well as the microphone. And it's going to give me a preview of the video picture. So now I'm ready to go. I am ready to record my video. So I hit start recording, and you can see up here, I can pause, I can stop, I can go to full screen, but I really don't want to see myself, so I'm not going to do that. And I'm going to go ahead. You can see it's still counting. So at this point, I can go ahead and tell the students give my whatever the class is that I'm going to give, and I can see the counter going off. So let's say I want to stop this one at 30 seconds, and 30 seconds is almost up. So I could pause it right now if I wanted to, and I can go ahead and find something else that I wanted to talk about, find another piece of paper, and then I go ahead and resume recording. And I'm going to go ahead and record for 5 more seconds. And 5 seconds is up. I'm going to go ahead and stop recording. At this point, I want to go ahead and save my video. So I'm going to hit save, and it is uploading. You can see it's uploading to the Swivl cloud. You can see up here, if you look up here, it's going to say cloudswivl.com. So it has uploaded. I am not using hard drive space on my computer. It has been uploaded to the cloud. I hit next, and I'm going to rename this video, and I'm going to say Friday class. And then I'm going to go over here in the description, and I'm going to say what students need Okay, so there's my quick description, and I can go ahead and capitalize the way I should, and then hit save, and you can see it is all ready for me to go. So now I've got some options. What do I want to do with this thing? I've got so some people, they don't want to use the Swivl website for the hosting. That's perfectly fine. Let's say I want to go ahead and I just recorded the Swivl, but I want to go ahead and upload it to YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Once again, it is uploaded to the cloud, so it is no longer on my hard drive. So I'm going to have to tell Swivl to go ahead and download it. So the 3 dots, I can go ahead and download. And at this point, as soon as I click on that, it's going to download into my downloaded files on my hard drive. So I hit download. I can choose where I want it to download, but I'm going to go ahead and hit just download, and you can see it has downloaded Friday, or it's downloading Friday class. Once it's finished downloaded, I can go ahead and take a look at it if I want to do video editing in some other video editing program that I might have. I like to use Microsoft Movie Maker, that's what I use to edit my videos. So I could go ahead and edit the video, and then I could upload it to YouTube. So a Swivl video, you don't have to host on the Swivl website. But if you do want to host it on the Swivl website, you hit share. So when I hit share, it's going to create a link, and you're going to send the students directly to the Swivl website. Because we are using, at this point, we are using just the basic Swivl system, not Swivl Pro or whatever their upgraded version is. The only option I have is to create a web link. So I hit web link, create web link, and it's going to give me the link that I can give to students. So I can go ahead and say, copy the web link, and I can cut and paste, and I can paste it into an email. I could paste it into a document that I have on Infinite Campus. I could paste it into the description of an assignment in Infinite Campus, just like any other web link. Now, once you are finished with that video and you don't want anybody to see it anymore, right now that web link access is available. So if I were to email this website or this web link out, people can watch the video. Once I don't want anybody to watch that video anymore, I can hit web link access is disabled, and now nobody can see that video. So that's one of the advantages, or an advantage over YouTube, is I don't have to delete the video in order to stop people from seeing it. I just disable that web link. But I want to go ahead and keep the web link active. I've copied the web link, so now I can just cut and paste it into everything. Close that, and then go ahead and share it. So that is let me go ahead and go back to the library, and you can see here's all the videos that I've done already. This is the faculty meeting. This is us the other day creating for those of us that created on your laptops. And here are some slides that I've uploaded. I will show you those, how to do that in another video. So that's all I have for a simple, basic Swivl video.